back to my channel. It's Brandy Giz, and I am back to share with you all an unboxing of an item that was sent to me for reviewing purposes only. I was contacted from the brand Temu, this big huge box that was sent to me with all kinds of goodies that I want to share with you. I just want to give you an overview of the company. First of all, they are a company that is online. It's like an online marketplace that offers competitively priced products at a affordable cost. They have fashion, jewelry, housewares, home decor, pet supplies. They offer top quality products at an affordable price. Anyone can purchase the products. And I want you to go to temu.com, and I want to let you all know that they're having a Valentine's Day special. Yes, Valentine's Day special. And let me share with you all, because we know that true love never ends, honey, and neither do their deals. Okay, so they're having a discount up to 90% off. Let me turn this phone around so I can get all the goodies. So it says, but wait, the savings don't end there. My followers, which is you guys, get an additional 30% off the sales price. Okay, and I'm going to list everything down in the description section of the video so that you can see the savings. You'll be able to click the link and go on over to their website. You might like some of the items that I'm going to share with you on today. Hopefully you do. They have other items as well. I was just picking out some items and I wanted to just check it out. But whether you're looking for a date night dress or gift ideas, Temu got you covered. So let's get into this, honey. Okay, and another thing I wanted to tell you is that Temu has free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. They accept all major credit card and debit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, even pay later programs, girl. So it's safe, it's legitimate. So we're gonna get into what they sent me, this huge box. So let's just dive into all the goodies that they sent. And you have this, I don't know what this is. And they have real nice little bags that they put the products in. They don't just throw it in there. Okay, I don't remember ordering this, but this is cute. Okay, and it's soft too. Okay, this is for like your kitchen. It just says home, that you can put in your kitchen if you have like a real nice white kitchen. That'll be cute too. But yeah, it just has home, and it has the forks and spoons and spatulas on there. That's nice. The next item is Creative 3D Visualization Lamp. Alright, so I plug that in. It has a USB cord. Oh, this is cute. And then it says, hey, wait, and then it says, can't hear you, I'm gaming. I got this for my son. I thought this would be cute, and you just put that like so. And so you place it inside of here. And there you go. And it just lights up. It just says, can't wait. Why do I keep saying stuff that is not on here? So it says, can't hear you, I'm gaming. I thought this would be cute on my son's bedroom nightstand. And it looks like that. Let me show y'all really quick. So this is the way it looks, and I'm gonna turn the light out so that you can see. Ain't that cute? For a boy's room. Or you can have it for a girl's room, because girls play games too. Okay, so I am loving that. The next, all right, that's cute. So he'll like that. He'll know that I ordered that one. And then we have, what is this? Oh yeah, this is so cute, guys. It's like the varsity jacket, and it comes in different colors. I picked out the black and white one, and it has A on there. Real cute. I like that. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's just right. I'm gonna try it on so y'all can see how it looks. And the quality is nice, y'all. Look at that. This is cute, and it fits. It fits. Looks good. Yes. And let me see what size it is. This is the size extra large. So if you're my size, get an extra large. It still has some room in it, because I got this big huge sweater on, so I can't wait to wear that. I'm gonna put that to the side. Then we have, I'm gonna try to get through this video because I don't want it to be too long. I still want to keep your interest. They sent me a portable and rechargeable juicer. Yes, girl. And you can juice your products, girl. Your goodies, guys. It's portable. This is what I'm talking about. Hello. So you just, everything is USB. Okay, I'm assuming maybe I have to put some food in here, but this is a really cute portable electric juicer, and it's 100% authentic. It comes with your instructions and your USB cord. Everything is in really nice boxes. Okay, you have the, what is this? This is a mini manual pressed fruit juicer. And it looks like that. You can put your lemons or your limes inside of here. And you can squeeze. Oh, that's cute. And then it pours out, it has that little spout, so you can actually put your like half of a lemon on there, put it inside and squeeze, and it'll pour in here, and it gives you half a cup, 1/3 a cup, 1/4 regular cup. Oh, this is so cute, girl. Yes. What is this? It says solar light. These are 2 solar lights that they sent me that I can put like in the yard. I actually thought that I was getting the set, but no. But these are cute because I can put one on each side. And very, very nice. The quality looks good. It looks better than the ones that they have at Walmart. So I can't wait. So I'm gonna put that out there today. Okay, what is this? Oh, some more clothing. This is a cute hoodie. Now I got this from my mama because I am not a grandma. But on the back it says, being a grandma doesn't make me old, it makes me blessed. Isn't that cute? That's cute. So I can give that to my mom, and it's a navy hoodie. I'm not a grandmama yet, child. I ain't trying to be for a long time. Then we have another box. Open it up. What is this? Oh, okay. This is cute. Gotcha. Okay, so it comes, this is actually a clock that you put on your wall, and it just comes with like the pieces, the thing you put on the wall to keep it in place, the numbers, and the dial. And it actually is supposed to look like so. It's supposed to look like this. Let me show you really quick. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's supposed to look like the clock down below that you can put on your wall. That should be cute. And then we have another clothing item. What is this? Oh, this is cute. Very simplistic too. And it's in a, I got it in an extra large, but it is, I don't know if it fits. I'm gonna try it on for you guys, but it says Faith. All right, you guys, I thought this would be big, but this is the perfect size, and it just says Faith on it. Real simplistic, really cute, fits me perfect. The quality of the t-shirt is absolutely A1, and I could wear this with my varsity jacket. Shout out to Temu for hooking your girl up with this. Oh, this is cute, like in the springtime, and you can wear them with some leggings and you'll just look cute, like even if you're going shopping or whatever the case may be. This is super cute. This is like up my alley, girl. Yes. Although the sweater is not mine, I'm gonna try it on for y'all so that you can see. This is in a extra large, and I got my mom this. She can wear it to like the beauty salon. I'll put that on. Oh, this is cute. I love the quality. And this is how the back is. So this should fit her really good. And what is this bad boy? Okay, this is like a potato peeler. I have one, but it's dull. And I got the green one. That's cute. This is a potato knife. And like when you're slicing up your potatoes, you can actually make like the crinkle fries. So that's another home product. And then I got my son, I know what this is. I got my son this. Actually a blanket. This is so nice. I said this is really nice in person too. Look at this, y'all. If you have a child that is a gamer, they are gonna love this. They are gonna love this. I'm gonna try to get his reaction because he don't know it. I'm gonna get his reaction on these two products that I got for him as well. I'm sorry that this video might be lengthy, but I'm telling you, they have some good items, good quality items too. I even got a toilet brush, a toilet bowl brush. It's gray, and then you can put it, you can like put it, you can clamp it on there and put it in an inconspicuous place. Rugs that you put in the kitchen, and it looks like so. And that's pretty too. It says home, and that's cute, y'all, right? Isn't that cute? I love everything. Okay, so let's get his reaction to the products. Hold on. Stay right there. Look at me. Wait a minute, I'm trying to. What you think of that? That's yours.
It is?
Do you like it?
Yeah, I want it.
What'd it say?
You, I'm gaming.
Wow. What you think?
Alright,
thanks, Temu. I'm doing a video. Get out the way. Turn around. So, thank Temu for hooking your boy up.
Thank you.
But then I seen something else. I was like, you know, sometimes when I get cold and I'm sitting on the couch or in my bed, what you think about this? Sit up. You like this one?
Yeah.
I don't think you like this.
I do.
Look how soft it is. Is it soft?
Yeah.
You just saying this so you.
I need something to repeat my
This is really nice. This mine, y'all. But I want to thank Temu for sending me these here products, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to check out the links down in the description section of the video. Their Valentine's Day special that's coming up and everything. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, God bless y'all. Love y'all. Bye.